Oh my gosh, look, every DLC is on my Sims 4, so I'm going to show you guys how to get all Sims 4 DLC for free. Go to ogsnags.com in your browser. You can do this from your phone, and we're just going to type in Sim, and there's tons of them, but do the Sims 4 DLC, okay? So press on it, and then press show coupon code, and wait for it to load, okay? So once it loads up, just go ahead and press like get full code right here. And then it's going to bring you to a new. On this page, we need to basically answer what we like the most about shopping at Amazon. So it really doesn't matter, honestly. I don't really care what you do. So I'm just going to do super fast shipping. And now we have to enter our email address because they're going to send us the Sims 4 DLC code to this email. So make sure you put it in an email that you use. You can see it says activating your reward. So now we need to register. So we need to fill out all our information. So let me just go ahead and type. Obviously not sending Sims 4 DLCs to random people. They need to know that you're real. They're not going to send anything to your house though, so it's fine. So let me just fill this in right here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to type this in, as you can see. Okay, let me just do that. Pretty easy. Alright, so I'm just going to do this. Alright, so the next step is a survey, guys. We need to do a little survey. It's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. As you guys can see, it's going to answer all the questions. We should be all set, bro. So let's just go ahead and do this right here. As you can see, all right. So I'm just going to answer these pretty easy. I mean, I've done this before, guys. It's not that hard. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. All right. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm just going to answer this right here. Alright, so after we do the survey, guys, we should be all set. So I'm just going to answer this. Alright, let's just do this right here. Alright, so we have to press I agree and continue, and it'll bring us to the next step. So the final step is the deal's completion. So you have to do one deal, guys. They're really easy. It's like download an app and reach a certain level on it. So let me just show you guys right here, as you can see. Alright, so here we go. So it's going to tell us that we already did the survey and the optional offers are finished. Cool, so now we have our deal. So the deals are really easy. It's like download an app or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out. But let me just show you guys. As you can see, it says complete one deal to continue, and they have these like apps. This SoFi thing is goofy, bro. But I would do like the Monopoly Go one. You just have to reach level 18 and it costs $0. So that's how you do it, guys. So be sure to try this out, and peace out. You only have to do one of these, by the way.